We're finally pretty much done with the floor. Well, absolutely done with the floor. We're done with the battery tray area, the front area. Um, Now, before we work on the bed, we've got these rocker panels to deal with. The other side is in really good shape until you get back to here. Of course, I've made the front rockers, which won't be seen, they'll be under the fender. But from this point all the way back, the rocker's in really bad shape. Of course, the big square hulking piece you see there is what we welded in on the inside to anchor everything to. What I did was cut this piece out. It was pretty solid. And I've decided, with what little experience I've had, I could probably use the vise to mimic this piece, which I feel like I did accurately enough. It's not hard to do with one hand. An exact like replica. You can see this bottom part is curved and mine is just straight. But I thought if I could do this along the whole area here, then who would know that it wasn't the factory shape. So what we did, we went back to Don at our local welding shop, who made our front body mounts, and we asked him what he could do, and in about 5 minutes he did this. This is 48 inches long, and it is an exact match to what I made. And I'm going to clamp this on here. So you can see how she'll look. Don is a master of metal. Not like George Lynch either. They had this piece made from 20 gauge, and it's 48 inches long. It won't quite go to the end here in the front. It's not exactly the shape of the factory rocker. It's not exactly the shape of what I've been up, but it is all the same from one end to the other. And this should look awesome once we're done. Of course, we've still got a lot of patchwork to do here, even after we get that in. But this is going to make this so much easier. Wow. I don't know why we didn't do this on the other side. Live and learn, and do different stupid stuff. That's been my life.